Namaste. Welcome to maths class. Today I am going to teach you how to solve simultaneous linear equations by graphical method, and it is the syllabus for grades 8 and 9 mathematics. And here I am going to teach you how to solve the given equations by graphical method. Steps for using the graphical method. First of all, you should know the steps. Find the solutions of both equations, because we are solving here two equations, at least two values, okay? Two coordinates must be needed. Plotting the solutions in a graph paper will give two straight lines. The two lines will intersect each other. The point of intersection is the solution of given pair of simultaneous equations. Look this one first example. 3x plus 4y equals 4 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. Here, for first equation, 3x plus 4y equals 4, and look, this upper one value, look, there is 4, 0, minus 4, there is 1, and this value you can put here in this equation so that it will give the whole numbers, okay, and it will be easier to plot them in the graph paper. When you put here x value 4, and it will be 12, 3 into 4, 12, and when it goes here 4 minus 12, and it will be minus 8. Minus 8 will be divided by 4, it will give minus 2. And this solution you have to show, okay, here. And his calculation can be shown on the solution as well. As I told you, this what I told you just now, solution 1. This we can solve in this, okay, place as well. Look, second equation, 2x minus 3y equals 14. And this equation you put these values, upper one, 7, 1, 4 as your choice, okay. And I suggest you to put the values of x, as smaller as you can here, okay. And it will be, easy to find out the numbers, results as a whole numbers, okay. If you put 7 here, 2 into 7, 14, and when 14 goes here, it will be 14 minus 14, 0, and 0 divided by minus 3, it will give 0. Answer of y values will be there, 0. And similarly here, when you put the value of x1, and if you solve it, okay, then it will give minus 4, y value is minus 4. Okay, similarly, if you put the value of x4, then y value will come minus 2. Okay, like this we get the coordinates of this line. Okay, now let's plot this first table's coordinates, 4 comma minus 2, 0 1, 0 1, and next one is minus 4 4, 1 2 3 4, minus 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 minus 4 comma 4 means this one. Okay, and it will come like this, and join them, okay, by the straight line. Join them, okay, you will get like this line. And similarly, look here, when you solve it and plot them in the same graph paper, you will have 7 0 here, another one is 1 comma minus 4 here, and 4 comma minus 2 is here, okay. And you see here, you can observe here, and they are cutting each other, they are intersecting each other at point 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2 will be there, okay. and this is the line for the equation 2x minus 3y equals 14. Okay, and here we have to write the coordinates of those points of intersection of the two straight lines represented by the equations is 4 comma minus 2. They are cutting each other at 4 comma minus 2. That means the solution of the equation is 4 comma minus 2. Hence x equals to 4 and y equals to minus 2 is the answer. Okay, wherever they cut each other, that cutting point is the answer. Note, you can start, okay, that you can start by taking the values 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, and no, for the simpler calculations, okay, it will become simpler one, okay, simple values. If you put there small values, it will be easy to show in a graph paper also, and try to get the whole numbers as the coordinates, so that it becomes easy to show them in graph paper. Let's see here another example. Example number 2. First question is given that x by 5 plus y by 4 equals to by 2, and next question is x by 10 minus y by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2. Okay, let's see here its calculation. Here first equation is solved here, making simpler form, okay, by taking the LCM and do cross multiply, and you'll get this equation 4x plus 5 by equals to 30. Okay, and here next equation also here is you take the LCM here 10 into 10 and take LCM this and cross multiply do, and you will get this also simpler form x minus 5y equals to minus 5. And for the first equation, okay, put the values x 0, okay, and 10. If you put 0 then 4 into 0, then it will be 5y equals to 30, and 30 divided by 5, then it will become 6, y value will become 6. And let's put the value of x 10, it will be 40, and 40 goes, then 30 minus 40, it will be minus 10, and minus 10 divided by 5, then it will come minus 2, and we'll get two coordinates 0 comma 6 and 10 comma minus 2. Similarly, let's solve the equation number 2 and put the value of x there minus 5. If you put minus 5 x value, then it goes here, and it will be plus 5 and minus 5 plus 5 0, and 0 divided by minus 5 also it will be 0. Okay, minus 5 0, and 0, let's put the value of x 0, then it will be minus 5 equals to, it will be 0 and minus 5 equals to minus 5, and minus 5 divided by minus 5 it will come 1. We have the coordinate minus 5 0 and 0 comma 1, and let's plot them in a graph paper here. In the graph paper, let's plot them, and we get here is, okay, 10 comma minus 2 this is, and this is 0 comma 6, okay, this is origin 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and join them, you will get this line, straight line. If you join them, now next one, this is the equation, this is the line for the equation 4x plus 5 equals 30. And next one, look, 5 minus 5 comma 0, plot a 5 comma minus 5 comma 0 here, and 0 comma 1, this is 0 comma 1, and join them with the long line, with the long line, you will get this line, and they will intersect to get here point 1 2 3 4 5 comma 1. They are intersecting, look here, this 5 comma 1 and this 5 comma 2, 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 and 2. They are intersecting at the point 5 comma 2. Okay, that 5 comma 2 is the solution for these two equations, and they are cutting each other at point 5 comma 2. Then x value is 5 and y value is 2 here. Solution is this: the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two straight lines represented by the equations is 5 comma 2. Hence x equals to 5 and y equals to 2 is the solution. And similarly, and this is the given, okay, work to you as an assignment, and solve it, okay, as I showed just in these examples. Okay, this is the process to solve the given equation by the graphical method. Okay, if it is asked to solve them in the graphical method, please follow that, and these are the assignment 1. Okay, and please solve, okay, solve them by graphical method by following this rule. I hope you understood it. Practice Okay, as we know that practice makes the student perfect. Keep practicing mathematics. Today this much only. Thank you very much.